It was 35 years ago this month, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention officially recognized the first AIDS cases right here in the U.S.
Now, since then, there's been major strides in the fight against HIV and AIDS, but 3 decades later, the effects still linger. A documentary being screened today here in San Antonio documents some longtime survivors.
Yeah, it shows a day in the life of these men and how they deal with their health, their families, and the stigma that surrounds HIV.
I don't think very many people arrive in the desert without having some sort of story.
The documentary Desert Migration was written and directed by Daniel Cardone. It documents 13 gay men who were diagnosed years ago and have sought treatment in Palm Springs, California. Cardone was diagnosed with HIV 21 years ago and says he made this film to clear up confusion about survival rates of HIV and AIDS. He says he wants to let people know about the help and resources that are out there in most communities.
I really hope that it will be a step forward to building a community where perhaps they didn't know there was a community that they could be in touch with. It's really bringing people out of their isolation, realizing that there are people everywhere, all over the world, who are going through this, and the sooner we keep talking about it, the sooner we help connect people to each other.
There's a screening of this documentary tonight from 6:30 to 9:30 at the Santikos Bijou Cinema. That's in the Wonderland of the Americas Mall over there at 410 and I-10. Tickets are $30 and proceeds benefit the San Antonio AIDS Foundation.
You can get tickets on their website, and we have a link on our website. Just go to ksat.com and click on this story. And coming up today at 5 o'clock, we're going to talk with a specialist about the number of HIV/AIDS cases here in Bexar County and what's being done to prevent more cases. Again, that's today at 5.